Hey, South Jersey, we have a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. tonight. This was put in place by the Storm Prediction Center, which is a part of NOAA, earlier this afternoon. Here's what you need to do now, before the storms come. First thing, if you have any hanging tree branches or tree limbs, cut them down this afternoon so they don't get blown off by the wind and potentially get into your home or apartment or shed. Have a way to get weather alerts while you're sleeping. The majority of this will come at night. You can go to our website, pressofac.com/newsletters, and you can sign up for our weather newsletter, which will push out those alerts to your email. Keep your devices charged tonight. Just leave them plugged in. I know it's not the best for your phone, but leave them plugged in just in case the power goes out. And on that note, keep your place as cool as reasonably possible, because if the power goes out, we do have a very balmy night. Low temperatures only in the low to mid 70s here, so that will not be comfortable. Here's a look at our storm threats. There is no guarantee that we will see storms everywhere in South Jersey. In fact, Cape May County could even be dry. Cape May bubble. But damaging winds is the main threat with this. Damaging hail is unlikely, but you could see some small hail, and there could even be some flooding rains as well, but that's a lower threat. The Storm Prediction Center has put half of South Jersey in a slight or a level 2 of 5 risk. Pretty much anywhere north of the Black Horse Pike is in that slight risk. Anywhere to the south of there is in level 1 of 1 or marginal risk. Now, this is still on the low end of the totem pole here. You see scattered severe storms are possible with our level 2 of 5 risk. So it's not even a definite that we're going to see severe weather, but if we do, again, the potential for damaging wind gusts is there. Here's a look at our radar from earlier this afternoon. You see a good cluster of thunderstorms already developing in upstate New York and in Pennsylvania. That will eventually be coming our way. They'll be moving to the south and east and then eventually just due south. We don't see this that often. In fact, they could even turn to the southwest a little bit with time. But notice how those storms start to fizzle out. You start to see less of those yellows and greens, yellows and oranges, and more of those greens right around midnight. So the severe weather threat, I think, is in place until midnight. But again, I think it's going to be mostly low and mostly confined to places north of the Black Horse Pike. So it's not exactly everywhere. Here's a look at our thunderstorm juice, as I call it, our cape. And notice how those numbers also go down. We start to lose those brighter colors as we go into the evening, as we lose that daytime heating from the sun, and we start to turn more stable. So good news for South Jersey here. I think this is mainly a northern half of the state thing. Forecasted rainfall, you see a couple of spots over an inch. I wouldn't pay too much attention to where those spots are, but do know that the potential for 1 to 1.5 inches of rain will be there. Now, I'll keep you updated as we go on throughout the night, but if you go to our website, pressofac.com/weather, you can also find a full update on what to expect. It's pretty much this video plus more, and we'll have your evening forecast for you just around 6:30, and we'll keep you updated on social media as we go into the night as well.